Let's make sure we are on the same page and can fluently speak music theory terms. I'm sure you've heard that math and music are related, and pitch is one of those terms based in science and math. What we need to understand is that pitch has nothing to do with baseball or soccer. It has to do with our ears and how we perceive how high or low a musical tone is. Scientifically, sound has wavelengths, and the faster the wavelengths are, the higher the pitch, and the opposite is true. Slower means lower. Good. Now you understand the term pitch. Cool. An interval is the distance between pitches, kind of like kilometer or yards, inches, centimeters. In music, we categorize the differences between pitches using terms like, there's a lot of them. A lot. But this series on intervals will help you clear that up and make it practical. For today, all you need to know is that intervals describe the distance between two pitches. Are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks, or you can try one of these topics if you feel like learning more. Or you can go play your favorite tune and realize that every note you hear has a pitch, and when you go from one note to another, that's an interval. I'm a real person, and I went out to the park with my dog this morning.